Python has become the go-to programming language for machine learning due to its simplicity, versatility, and vast array of libraries and frameworks. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt. Limited recognizes the importance of machine learning in today's technological landscape and aims to empower its clients with the knowledge and skills to harness the power of Python for machine learning. In this tutorial, we will provide a comprehensive overview of Python machine learning techniques, covering key concepts, libraries, and practical applications. Content. Introduction to machine learning. Understand the fundamentals of machine learning, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Explore real-world examples of machine learning applications. Python basics. Familiarize yourself with the basics of Python programming, including variables, data types, loops, and functions. Learn how to work with popular Python libraries, such as NumPy and Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis. Introduction to machine learning libraries. Dive into essential Python libraries for machine learning, such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Keras. Explore the functionalities of these libraries and their role in developing machine learning models. Data preprocessing. Understand the importance of data preprocessing in machine learning. Learn techniques for handling missing data, feature scaling, and categorical variables. Supervised learning algorithms. Explore popular supervised learning algorithms, including linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Understand the principles behind each algorithm and their implementation using Python. Unsupervised learning algorithms. Discover unsupervised learning techniques, such as clustering and dimensionality reduction. Implement algorithms like k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis, PCA. Model evaluation and validation. Learn how to evaluate the performance of machine learning models using various metrics and cross-validation techniques. Understand the concepts of bias variance trade-off and overfitting/underfitting. Deep learning. Get an introduction to deep learning and neural networks. Learn how to build and train deep learning models using frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras. Conclusion. By completing this Python machine learning tutorial, participants from TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt. Limited will acquire a strong foundation in machine learning concepts and Python programming. They will be equipped with the skills to develop and deploy machine learning models to tackle real-world challenges. As a result, TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt. Limited will be empowered to provide cutting-edge solutions and services to their clients, enabling them to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving technological landscape. For more information, please contact TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt. Limited. Phone +91 8305233223. Website www.techiesgroup.co.in. Email info@techiesgroup.co.in.